What's up and good morning, guys? It's Kuya Mark here, and now I'm starving. So I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to cook up a traditional Filipino breakfast. Let's go. Alright guys, here are the ingredients that we are going to use to cook up our traditional Filipino breakfast, or rather an epic traditional Filipino breakfast. First off, we got our garlic here for our garlic fried rice, which is a very staple food for Filipinos. We got our dried fish here, and we got eggs, and just to add a little extra epicness to it, corned beef. So here it is. Alright guys, so let's start preparing our ingredients. First and foremost, chop up the garlic. So how easy it is just chop off the end, and then you just peel it off on the side, and the peel comes off easily. Or even traditionally, what we Asians do is just give a smack like that, and the peel comes off. You still need to chop off the tip. So that's the hard part. You can cut this garlic in several different ways. You can dice it up, or just give it a slice like this. I like to dice it up, just so you can get all of those goodness in the garlic. Give it a smash just to get all of those juices out. Now scoop it up with your blade. Put it into your separate onions. All of the tips as well. This will be for our corned beef. Normally, what I do is just I cut the onion. Small cut like that, just so I can take off the peel. Alright, you just want to cut them into circles, like so. Or rather half circles. Let's cover it up because my eyes are watering. Next, eggs. You want to crack your eggs into the thing. Now, apparently, if you drop a shell in there, just use the eggshell to scoop it up. See if it works. It does work. All of the rest of the eggs there. 3 is a regular for me. Normally, Filipinos don't have easy access for milk. But just to make it more fluffy, I'm just gonna add some milk. Just wanna beat it up. Now back in the province, the milk that we easily have access to is buffalo's milk or carabao's milk. And it's very delicious and nutritious compared to our standard cow's milk. I suggest if you got a chance to have one, take the opportunity to get it open. So just open it up like so. Sorry guys, if I'm sniffling, the onions got to me. That's it. Now you want to get old rice that you have cooked up the day before, and you just want to break that up with your hands, just so it's like fluffy and grainy like this. Okay. And that's preparation for our ingredients. Alright guys, for the cooking part, let's get a non-stick pan, or if you have a wok, let's put that on the flame. One of the tricks that we got taught while growing up while cooking is that you want to make sure that your pan is hot, just to make sure all of the moisture has evaporated into your pan, just so you don't get all those splashing or of the oil when you're cooking. We call it tilamsik rather, and for safety precautions we wear a long sleeve. Just kidding. Now for traditional woks, apparently what you do is just heat up your pan and then pour in cold oil, and then you just mix it up and makes it non-stick. I'm gonna pour in some oil, just your normal vegetable oil. Today I'm using rice bran oil. Not sure if it's gonna be the same, but it's my first time trying it. So just get that all over. You wanna throw in your onions. Put in your corned beef. Just gonna do half. We don't want to indulge on it too much. I have a tendency to eat a whole can of corned beef because I have all these other things I'll refrain myself. So I'll just put this up top. So once all the fibers are starting to separate like that, it's good. That's it. Corned beef. Just put it aside. Next up, our fried rice. So you just want to heat up that pan again to hot. With all the juices and the oil of the corned beef in there, it will flavor up our fried rice. You want to throw in your garlic. You stir that in. Don't want it to burn. Stir it in. You throw in your all the flavor of the garlic and the corned beef getting infused into the rice. Just gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and if you must, and if you have accessible, a little bit of garlic powder. More flavor into that is you get your savory calamansi liquid seasoning, your Maggi seasoning. Turn the heat off. fried rice, or in Tagalog, sinangag. Spell that for me. With your pan hot again, I'm gonna put in a reasonable amount of oil. Put in your fried or dried small fish. Just a handful, just for one person, or it depends if you're cooking for a family. Yep. Throw it in. Now it's gonna stink up the whole house, so you do wanna light some incense, or now turn this fan on. Doesn't take that long, maybe around 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And then we just want to take that fried fish out to the side. We want to keep the oil to cook our eggs. All the saltiness and the infused flavors of the fried fish is into the pan. Just want to turn the heat down to medium. You don't want to overcook the eggs to make it more fluffy. Guys, we're done cooking, so let's spread it all out. First up, then get your rice all side down and reveal. There we go. And you got the corned beef to the side over here. I'm just using a chopping board because just for aesthetics. And you want to get your egg to the side over here. Let's garnish this up a little bit. And some fresh onions. Lastly, your dried fish. Alright, to top it all off, sprinkle some spring onion. Alright, that's it guys. Let's take a closer look. You have your garlic fried rice, you got your corned beef, you got your egg, and your dried fish. Top it off, coffee, and your spiced vinegar. Alright guys, so I have to duck down a little bit because my camera can't reach up, but first things first, let's honor the man. Lord Heavenly Father, thank you so much for this beautiful food that I'm about to eat. May it serve as nourishment for our body. In your mighty name we pray. Amen. Let's eat. Alright guys, this is it, your traditional Filipino breakfast. Let's eat. Garlic fried rice. Of course, you gotta eat with your hands. Make sure you wash first. Put some corned beef in there. Dried fish. You eat dried fish, you dip into the spiced vinegar.
Like crunch. Cannot have a breakfast without coffee in the morning. This is so good. You gotta have this, guys. Fresh onion. So good. This is comfort food. Have this every day for breakfast. Oh man. Oh man. Sarap. Super sarap.
Well, that's it for me, guys, on how to cook a traditional Filipino breakfast. Now, if you like this video, click the subscribe button and also the bell icon to so you can get updates on my recent posts. Now, this will probably be the first video that I will ever put up on YouTube on my upcoming new channel, Kuya Mark's Geeky World. So I'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.